Need a quick ride in 2025? The Uber app make it simple. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to set up, book, and track your ride so you can travel with confidence. Let's get started. First, open Uber app with your phone number or email and add a payment method like a card, PayPal, or digital wallet. On the home screen, tap the Where to box. Tap your destination and the app will suggest the best routes and ride options. Select the ride that fits your needs. UberX for everyday rides, Comfort for extra space, or Green if you prefer an eco-friendly option. You'll see the price estimate before you confirm. Check your pickup location on the map. If needed, drag the pin to the exact spot where you want your driver to meet you. Then tap confirm. Once matched, you'll see your driver's name, car model, and license plate. You can track their arrival in real time and even share your trip status with friends or family for safety. Confirm your driver's details and enjoy the ride. At the end, payment is automatic through the app. Don't forget, you can rate your driver and leave feedback. And that's it.